The quickest path to passing your DMV test is mastering road signs. Master these 40 most tested US signs and success is guaranteed. Let's begin. Guess this traffic sign. A. Yield sign. B. Yield at roundabout. Good observation. This is the yield sign. Name this road sign. A. Temporary, no stopping. B. No stopping. Correct. This sign prohibits stopping in this area. What is this sign? A. No U-turn. B. No turns. Excellent. This sign prohibits making U-turns in this area. Identify this traffic sign. A. School crosswalk ahead. B. School zone. Well spotted. This sign marks a school zone. Guess this traffic sign. A. Pedestrians crossing. B. Pedestrian crosswalk ahead. That is right. This is the pedestrians crossing sign. Name this road sign. A. No left turn on red. B. No left turn. Correct. This sign prohibits making left turns in this area. Identify this road sign. A. Roundabout. B. Roundabout circulation. Plaque. Excellent. This sign directs drivers to an upcoming roundabout. Guess this traffic sign. A. Traffic light ahead. B. Standard traffic light. Well spotted. This sign indicates an upcoming traffic lights. What is this road sign? A. No passing zone. B. Do not enter. Good observation. This is the do not enter sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. No right turn. B. Right turn on red. Prohibited. Correct. This sign prohibits making right turns on this road. What is this road sign? A. No parking on pavement. B. No parking. Excellent. This sign prohibits parking in this area. Name this traffic sign. A. Speed limit ahead. B. Speed limit. Well spotted. This sign shows the acceptable speed limit on this road. Guess this traffic sign. A. Stop sign ahead. B. Yield sign ahead. Good observation. This sign warns of an upcoming stop sign. Identify this road sign. A. Railroad crossing, crossbuck. B. Railroad crossing ahead. Correct. This is the railroad crossing crossbuck. Guess this road sign. A. Parking permitted, 24/7 variant. B. Parking area. Excellent. This sign marks a designated parking area. Identify this traffic sign. A. Two-way traffic. B. Narrow two-way traffic. That is right. This is the two-way traffic sign. Guess this road sign. A. Winding road. B. Series of bends. Ahead. Well spotted. This is the winding road sign. What is this road sign? A. Offset side roads. B. Crossroad. Correct. This is the crossroad sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Falling rocks. B. Rough pavement ahead. Good observation. This is the falling rocks warning sign. Name this road sign. A. Yield sign. B. Yield sign ahead. Excellent. This sign indicates an upcoming yield sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Flagger ahead. B. Workers ahead. Correct. This is the workers ahead sign. Identify this road sign. A. No pedestrians crossing. B. End of a pedestrian zone. Well spotted. This sign prohibits pedestrian crossing in the area. What is this traffic sign? A. Straight through only. B. One way. Excellent. This is the one-way sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Slow-moving vehicles. B. Steep grade hill. Good observation. This is the steep downgrade hill sign. Identify this road sign. A. Bicycle route. B. Bike lane. Correct. This is the bicycle route sign. What is this road sign? A. Speed limit ahead. B. School speed limit ahead. That is right. This is the school speed limit ahead sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Uneven surface. B. Rumble strips. Well spotted. This is the uneven surface warning sign. Guess this road sign. A. Side road. B. Merge left. Correct. This is the side road sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Turn right. B. Curve right. Excellent. This sign warns of a right curve. Identify this traffic sign. A. Speed limit. B. Speed limit ahead. Good observation. This sign indicates an upcoming speed limit. Guess this road sign. A. Wrong way. B. End of road. This is the wrong way sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Y intersection. B. T intersection. Excellent. This is a T intersection sign. What is this road sign? A. Bump. B. Dip sign. Well spotted. This sign warns of a bump in the road. Guess this traffic sign. A. Divided highway begins. B. Divided highway ends. Good observation. This sign marks an area the divided highway begins. Identify this traffic sign. A. No cycling. B. No bicycles. Correct. This sign prohibits bicycles in this area. What is this road sign? A. Reverse turn right. B. Reverse curve right. Excellent. This sign warns of a right reverse curve. Identify this traffic sign. A. Curve left. B. Turn left. That is right. This sign warns of a left curve ahead. Guess this road sign. A. Truck entrance. B. Truck route sign. Well spotted. This is the truck route sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Reverse curve left. B. Reverse turn left. Good observation. This sign warns of a left reverse curve ahead. What is this road sign? A. Bison area. B. Cattle crossing. Excellent. This is the cattle crossing sign. Great job making it to the end. If you want more DMV study guides, practice tests, and road sign videos, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Keep learning with the videos on your screen. See you soon.